Mom, I'm home. Mom, you in here? Mom?
We found this note your mom left before she drowned herself.
If it's hot like this, you know what I do? I keep my undies in the icebox.
What kind of sick joke is that?
Oh, it's no joke. It's a real suicide note.
My mom wouldn't kill herself.
Why don't I give y'all some space?
Why do you look like you don't even care right now?
Of course I do. Our mother always treated me like I was her own.
You don't get it. When Dad died, she was all I had left. My mom died, okay? She was my mom.
Yeah, I don't know. Can we just talk about this later? I'm at home.
Mom looks so young here.
I can't believe she kept all this stuff. Look, a bear from when I was adopted.
I just can't believe she's really gone.
We still have each other. We've got everything we need for her funeral, so let's just go.
Okay. Did you see that? Someone just came out of Mom's storage room.
What are you talking about?
Mom didn't kill herself, okay? Maybe people were sneaking around her stuff. It just doesn't make sense.
You're thinking way too much into this. It's probably nothing.
Come on, Layla. This is a bigger deal than you realize. You say it's nothing, whatever.
Hey, what was that?
The police, they said they found traces of cyanide in Mom's bloodstream.
Oh. I guess you were right.
Yeah. I give up. I don't even know what we're looking for.
There's a new voicemail that wasn't here before.
Looking for me will do you no good. I myself am strange and unusual, someone you do not want to find.
I think it's about Mom.
But why would they send it to you and not me too?
How would I know?
How is she even poisoned with it?
She breathed it in.
How do you know that?
It's forensics.
We've been here for a while. I'm done.
Hello?
I told you to stop.
Who is this?
This is a bigger deal than you realize.
This is a bigger deal than you realize.
Gracie?
You might ask me if I have regrets. My mom made me feel like I was nothing. Layla was the daughter she never had, but I was her daughter. I was her blood. I didn't regret my decision. I was dead to my mom the day I was born.